So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set automatic withdrawal in your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your computer, and after that you guys will need to get on the top right corner and select your name. Now select account settings and now scroll down to your left side. Then you guys can see this option called money, banks and cards. Now select on this option. Now scroll down to your right and you guys can see this option called automatic withdrawal. Now select its link a bank account option. Now you just have to enter your IFSC code right here, account number right here, and select one of these options for which you want to select your bank account. And after that you just need to select on link your bank button, and then you guys will successfully set a bank account to your automatic withdrawals from your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.